Welcome to the Right Corner YouTube channel. If it's your first time tuning in, please subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much. In a surprising display of camaraderie, CCC officials Shabangu and Watchman Ncube were seen together at the burial of Maurice Rizwai, sparking widespread speculation about their involvement in the recall of CCC MPs in 2023. The two were observed chatting and laughing together, suggesting a cordial relationship that has raised eyebrows among political observers. Sources close to the matter allege that Shabangu and Ncube were instrumental in masterminding the recall of CCC MPs elected in the August 2023 elections in Zimbabwe. Their apparent alliance has fueled rumors that both Shabangu and Ncube are ZANU-PF projects aimed at destabilizing the opposition party. The development has left many wondering about the true intentions of these two and their connections to their ruling party. This story is still developing and further updates will be provided as more information becomes available.